it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And a process I use to help her to do that is the edit. So welcome to this evening's edition of that. I did get a request from, I just looked it up and now I forget, Linda Lou, I do believe, asked me to do an edit on swimwear and workout gear. So I'm going to do swimwear tonight. However, if you have not grabbed my free guide, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love, then grab it, because there is some questions on there that can help you to curate whatever it is you need. And one of the questions is, what is your lifestyle? So that question is going to be very important when it comes to editing your swimwear. There's a million different ways to use swimwear, and it's going to depend on your lifestyle. Like my dear friend Elizabeth, who is a swimming coach, her swimming wardrobe is going to be much more advanced than mine. It's going to be much more purposeful than mine because it's part of her work. She has to be able to perform and coach, and she's also very involved in sports, so it's very active. Her swimwear is active. She is so inspiring to me. Her swimwear is going to be much different from mine. Because when I go out into the sun, into the water, it's with a different purpose in mind, usually involving relaxation. So those are some questions you're going to ask yourself. What am I using swimwear for? Are you swimming laps? Are you playing volleyball on the beach? Are you exercising actually in your swimwear? Or are you just laying on your back and soaking in the rays? All of that is going to play into your own swimwear wardrobe. Now, I have been very intentional about curating my swimwear wardrobe because by being very aware of others, I have decided, yeah, I'm not going to do that, or yeah, I'm not going to do that, or that is lovely, I want to find something just like that. So my own personal wardrobe is based on my style, which is classic, positive, with a touch of whimsy. So when I'm shopping for my swimwear, I have those three adjectives in mind. And then I'm also thinking about my lifestyle, like how am I going to use this swimwear? So let me just show you briefly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. I do live in Florida, remember. So I have, of course, also I'm a capsule wardrobe girl, so navy and white are my neutrals. So I have a simple strapless bandeau with ruching on the side, very complimentary, blue, navy blue. I actually have 2 of these. I have that one, and I have a brand new one that I just keep in the offing. And then I have very similar in style, but this one has straps. So if I'm going to be with other people, maybe I'm going to play some volleyball, maybe I'm going to be more active, then there's this. But I've chosen this specifically because I don't want to have tan lines that are crazy. So this is very similar to a bra line. So if I get a tan where my bra sits, it's no big deal. Very intentional. And then a strapless blue, same. And then I have 2 bottoms that match. One is more of a bikini and one is more of a high waist, so depending on my activities. And then I have a tankini. This is definitely like playing volleyball or like playing in the water, and maybe doing some paddle boarding, things like that. If I'm going to do some water skiing or something, this is fantastic. And I have a rash guard. And then I just got this skirt, which I can wear in the water. It has a pair of shorts attached inside. Okay, so basically everything can go together. I don't know if you noticed that. All of the pieces are interchangeable. So all I have to do is decide what is my activity for this day in the water, and then choose the piece. So most of these pieces are from Land's End. I can mix and match. I could also go on and like 3 years, 5 years apart and still get the same blue. I think that's amazing. And then the strapless mallet. This is from Amazon. So I hope that helps you, Linda Lou. I hope that helps you. So my personal rules are, I don't want to have crazy tan lines. I either want to have a strapless, or if I do have a tan line, then it's going to be the same as my bra. And the reason why is I don't want to go into a, let's say I have a formal dinner to go to and I decide to wear a fancy dress that's backless or maybe strapless. I don't want to have crazy tan lines. So I'm very intentional about my tan lines. Also, I want it to be very easy when I pack for a vacation. And I can grab all of these. It doesn't take up very much space. And then I have multiple options, multiple ways of wearing it. Also, if I get wet and then I want to change halfway through the day, I can. It's no big deal. So I suppose that maybe this isn't for everybody to have your swimsuit, what's it called? Your wardrobe, your swimsuit wardrobe to be so right and tight. But I'm here to tell you, it makes getting dressed so easy. I'm telling you, when you do the work and you put in the work and then you use constraint, it makes getting dressed, it makes packing, it makes all of it so easy. So the only question I have is, what is the activity? Is it going to be active or am I just going to be laying down relaxing? Those are my two options, and it's so fantastic. I hope that helps. Meanwhile, tonight's edit. At the end of the day, you ask yourself 3 questions. What worked? What didn't work? And how can I make it better? So today I wore my easy, breezy, cool, stretchy, at the end of the day they still look fantastic, not a wrinkle in them, pants. That always works. This is one of my favorite tops. I love this neckline. If it was even more of a boat neckline, I would be even more happy, but it's fantastic. This also wore very well all through the day. It's not wrinkled. It's fantastic. This necklace is wonderful. And again, I haven't thrown them away yet. But I did purchase 2 new pair. They are on their way, so I promise you. Because when I say what didn't work today, it's the shoes. They need to go. They're dead. So they're dead to me. So I did order 2 pairs of shoes today. How can I make it better? So I regress. I'm sorry. I'm getting so excited. Let me go back. You ask yourself what worked first, always, because you want to train yourself to look for the positive. Look for what you love about your clothes. Look for what you love about your appearance, about your body, about your wardrobe. You're looking for the positive. This may require practice, but I promise the more you practice, the more you will see it. And this is so powerful. I want you to be so happy when you get dressed in the morning because you have to do it every day. So let's look for the positive. The second question, what didn't work, is not a contradiction. It is only out of curiosity, what didn't work? What didn't work? What's not working here? And generally speaking, you know, it's kind of this nagging thought in the back of your head that I don't really like this, or this isn't fitting quite right, or I keep tugging right here. Whatever it is, notice throughout the day. It's just really an exercise of awareness. What is not working? Maybe it's a silhouette. Maybe there's just something wonky about the clothes. It was $3.99 for a reason. So when you notice what's not working, out of curiosity, not out of judgment, then you can just say, hey, let's use my imagination and decide, how can I make this better? How can I make this better? It may be that you just throw it away if it's not working for you. Or maybe you should just wear it with something else to get a different silhouette. Maybe a different accent color would make it pop better. Maybe it needs to be altered. Maybe. This is the fun part of curating a wardrobe you love. So that's how you do the edit. Now, back to the bathing suits. We floated down a river last weekend. So I was thinking the whole time, like, how can I make this better? I was super comfortable all day, and I did change. But when you do things like that, you can think, okay, because one of the girls was wearing a pair of shorts, like water shorts, which looked great on her for sure. I don't know. I'd have to try them, but it's not something I lean toward, and that's something I do need to work on, is beefing up my sporty look. It's not in my wheelhouse, but that's something I can explore. So as I'm floating down the river, I'm thinking, how can I make this better? How can I make this better? Maybe a pair of shorts might make it better. I don't know. But that's why I kind of bought this skirt because it's still sporty, but according to my style. Oh my goodness. See how it is? So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm a closet coach. I help women to work through this process together through life coaching and closet organization. It's amazing how much drama we allow first thing in the morning, and I'm here to free you from that drama. Let's get rid of the frustration. Let's get rid of the angst. Let's enjoy the process of getting dressed every day. I'm a closet coach. I can help you with that. Have a great evening.